2009 Junior Cert Higher Level Solid Contact question. Shown is a 3D graphic of the solids before being cut. Draw the given elevation and complete the plan of both solids. So I'll start off by draw the cone and the sphere. The radius of this here is going to be 45. I'm going to measure up 55 and 35. And I'm going to draw in. And there's one. First thing, I have the sphere here, and its radius 32, so I'm going to measure up 32 from the XY line. And I'm going to bisect the angle here. I draw my sphere. This is going to be sphere B. And that's it. That'll be in heavy. There's B. To get the point of contact then, if I go at 90 degrees to the edge of the cone, that's the point of contact there. Next step, I bring down the centre of sphere B. And I can also bring down the point of contact. Point of contact is going to be here, POC. Draw my sphere in plan. Sphere B. Next thing I'm going to draw, I'm going to locate point P. And it's 5 mil in from here. That there is P. What I can also do then is I can draw my plan when it's cut, so I can bring down this line here, and I can also bring down this point here. And when I cut this part here, which is part of the cone, I'm going to have a circle. Top of that there. Now, next part of the question. So, draw the projections of another sphere which rests in the horizontal plane and is in contact with solid A at point P. So if I have a sphere, the point of contact and the center will be along a straight line. So the center is somewhere along this line here. So what I have to do is I have to create a view. I have to look at 90 degrees here so I get the edge view so I can see the point of contact, these two solids. So I'm going to project off at 90 degrees. So I'm going to project here at 90 degrees, so I'm going to get the edge view. There's going to be point P. And I'm going to draw an X one, Y one. So I have the height of this here. I mark it off here. Let's train back to here. So that there's the side. And the next thing then I'm going to draw in is that will be joined back to here. This is point P here, so as I follow point P up, that's point P there. So the center of the sphere will touch the horizontal and it'll also touch the point P. So I'm going to project off now at 90 degrees to the edge. So my center is definitely on that line. To get the center of this new sphere, I bisect the angle. Point of my compass goes here and I draw in my sphere. So this is my new sphere here now. Next thing I have to do now is bring back this new center and draw in my sphere. Then I bring up the sphere to elevation. With the radius of my compass. And I draw it in. So that's it. So the point of contact then, to get the point of contact, I can draw a straight line up from the point of contact. And the height then, I'm going to get the height of the point of contact from my auxiliary. So there's the height of my point of contact, and I mark it off here. And that there is P, the point. And then I can put in the rest of the question in heavy then. That's my question complete.